Hello guys, today I want to show you this tropical tree desk lamp. It was sent to me for a review. We're gonna open the box, take a closer look at it, see how it functions. Cable with the USB plug and the actual wall plug. Oh. There's some manual in here. Okay, let's just open it up. The plastic off. So the color is black. I think you can also get it in white. And this is the clamp for the table. Let's clamp it up. Just a standard spinning clamp. C-clamp they call them as well. Also there's this pin handle to control the twist of the light. The clamp has a soft pad on the top, so it doesn't damage the surface of your table. So clamp it up, holds pretty tight, and it just sits in here like this. So, and the other handle I showed you, this is to stop it from moving like this, prevent it from moving much. And if you loosen it up, you can twist it any way you want. Alright, let's plug it in. Alright, so there's another adjuster over here. Let's turn it on. Alright, awesome. I got another light. Now my videos is gonna be even more brighter. Let's see, you can adjust brightness with it. So this is the brightest, and you can lower it down. Also, refresh. It has different, it's white, but it's different warmth. It could be a warm white or a cold white, different tone. Alright, that's cool. Let's see, can we do the soft white? Yes, we can dim it up as well. Very good light for your office, for your kids to do homework at the study table, or for work table. It's very flexible, can go anywhere, 360, up, down. This one spins also, both sides. Overall guys, it's a cool light. I recommend it. Get it on Amazon.